Welcome. Today we are going to show how to use docx documents for Word documents or the Microsoft Office suite and with Python, of course. So let's see what we can do here. I have this that is a little I got a couple of lines here to import as needed our document, and so we import the class document from docx. And by the way, you can install docx doing pip install python-docx, and then I got this multi-line string here with some text, and then I initialize the document instance of document class. This is our constructor for our app, and so we will do explore line for line our multi-line strings with a for loop saying for line in ask.splitlines, because split lines is this method that is, if it's applied to a string, it is going to split this multi-line string into a list of line, or into a list of strings in which every string is a line. So after this we are going to use input for every lines. So in input, the line, so the string will be the message that the user will see, and it will be asked to input something corresponding related to that line, so the name of the student, the age, etc. So I'm going to write in every line everything I want to add. I want to memorize from the input of the user, and after that I am gonna save a file with all the questions and answer, with all the results of the input, with the things that I've asked to input, and with what the user input. So that is pretty much everything you need to know about this little script, and you see it in action while I'm answering to the different inputs, and that's pretty much everything. So in another video, after we have seen this very basic example, we are going to make a little more complicated script with a class, and this script will take a text from the questions that now are in the multi-line string from another file, another text file outside of this script, so that it will be easier for you to make different kind of inputs requests in different files, so that you can choose the one that you need to create this, what you see here, these documents with the inputs and the outputs. And well, that is everything, and see you soon.